Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their HP ScanJet Pro 2500F 1L 2747 A-BGJ flatbed scanner, the Skytech Global AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power cord. It's a brand new replacement designed to keep your scanner running smoothly and safely. One of the first things that stands out about this Skytech adapter is its impressive global compatibility. With an input range of 100V to 240V, it's truly a worldwide solution. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling internationally, you can rest assured that your scanner will receive the power it needs without needing multiple adapters or converters. This universal input is a massive convenience, eliminating the hassle of voltage concerns. Now, while it's important to note that this is a brand new replacement adapter and not an original HP product, Skytech has clearly prioritized safety and performance. The adapter comes equipped with a robust set of protection features. We're talking about over-voltage output protection, over-current output protection, and short-circuit output protection. These aren't just buzzwords. They're essential safeguards that protect your valuable scanner from potential electrical damage, giving you peace of mind every time you plug it in. It's reassuring to know that your device is shielded from common power fluctuations and mishaps. Beyond safety, efficiency is another key aspect where this adapter shines. It boasts high power exchange efficiency, which is crucial for controlling the working temperature. This means the adapter itself won't overheat during prolonged use, contributing to a more stable and reliable power supply for your scanner. A cooler running adapter generally translates to a longer lifespan for both the adapter and, indirectly, the device it powers. The design of the Skytech adapter is also worth mentioning. It features a lightweight design, making it easy to transport and less cumbersome than some bulkier alternatives. This is particularly beneficial if you frequently move your scanner or need to pack the adapter for travel. Its black color gives it a sleek, professional look that blends in well with most office or home setups. Compatibility is, of course, paramount, and this adapter is specifically designed for the HP ScanJet Pro 2500F 1L 2747 A-BGJ flatbed scanner. While the product description also mentions compatibility with printers and HP phone models, the primary focus and explicit mention is for the ScanJet Pro 2500 F1 scanner, ensuring a perfect fit and function for that specific device. The package includes one adapter charger, and the brand emphasizes the importance of double-checking that you've selected the correct adapter for your needs before ordering, which is always a good practice. In summary, if you're in need of a reliable, safe, and globally compatible power supply for your HP ScanJet Pro 2500 F1 scanner, the Skytech Global AC-DC adapter presents itself as an excellent choice. Its protective features, efficient operation, and lightweight design make it a compelling replacement option. It truly offers a dependable power solution that keeps your scanning operations uninterrupted and secure.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.